Look at this guy this morning. Good morning and welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. Today I am just going to make a quick horchata drink with the kids, and that's it. That's the whole vlog for today. We'll see what action they give us on the camera. I'm stepping out now to upstairs now. I'm trying to take advantage while my husband has still about another 2 hours before he has to log in for work. So I'm just gonna get some couple of things that I need. I just wanted to show you guys, the sky is so beautiful this morning. Look at that sky. So pretty. So we are back in the house. We're going to make the horchata now. We are going to make the horchata now. Gitana's going to be my little helper today. I'm going to give her... So can you rinse that for Mama, please? And we're going to start. I'll list in text the portions and the amounts that I use. I'm doing mine a little bit more on the healthy side. I'm trying to eliminate processed sugar. There is 1/4 cup of sugar in here, but most of it is going to be sweetened with pitted dates. You can just substitute the dates with whatever sweetener you like. Let's get on with it. First step, really simple. I'm going to add 16 ounces of anjojoli, sesame seed. This is the one that I use. This bag cost me about $3.30 plus EBU, plus the tax, so not bad, because horchata is really simple. It's just the seed, water, and the sweetener. What you would pay for a glass of horchata maybe will cost around $3 to $5 anywhere. So this is a good bang for your buck when you just make it at home. So what I'm going to have Gitana do is count some pitted dates for me. We are going to use for this recipe. I want to use, I tried to figure it out in my head, and I figured 1 date per 2 ounces. This recipe has 6 cups of water, so that is 48 ounces. We're going to do our best to count. We'll just round it off to 25 dates. And then I will substitute the rest with a 1/4 cup of granulated cane sugar. Ya lávate la mano. Today you don't want to be recorded? Sácate los 25.
Sí.
You sure? On a pan, a nice flat pan that I washed really well. You want to make sure this doesn't have any residue of food. Maybe garlic is something that will linger on. If that is the case, you can get your pan really hot, put water in it with a little bit of vinegar or lemon, let it just sit for about 5 minutes, and then rinse it well. So we don't want these to get really brown necessarily. We just want it to get toasty. So I would suggest working on a lower fire and going slower than just rushing it and getting too high and burning the outside, giving it a burnt taste, and not really getting the toasted taste. You can also put these in your oven, but that can be tricky. I like watching it, controlling it.
That's from the popcorn.
It smells like it. If I pull away here, you can see them sort of pop. That's how you know you're just about a minute away from this being ready. Okay, so also I add the tiniest, a pinch, like literally a pinch. Not 1/4 teaspoon, a tiny pinch of sea salt. This is coarse sea salt that I get in the supermarkets or in sometimes Marshalls. It's cheaper when I buy it coarse, and what I do is just put it in my blender and grind it up, and then it becomes like granulated salt and easier to work with, and it's like $2 cheaper just to buy it coarse and grind it up at home. So I'm going to add a pinch of this. and a teeny tiny pinch, like maybe 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. But all you really need is sugar, water, and the seeds. That's it, and you're good. But I like to just bring a little bit more punch to the drink. The teeniest, tiniest bit of salt, like speckles, little speckles of salt. Much salt. Really, it's just a little teeny tiny bit. Just put it in there. This is hot water, by the way. This is 1 cup. This recipe has 6 cups of water, and I took 1 cup and I heated it up and I put it here just to soften the dates. Okay.
Put it in. I put it above.
Sure, you can do that. Déjame abrirlo.
This one is cold.
1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Go ahead. Now in this bowl, because the water is already it's still warm, it's not boiling hot, but it's warm, I'm going to add the sugar just so it can melt a little bit and almost become like a simple syrup, so it can mix better in the blender when we mix it all together. Okay, so this is the sugar that I'm going to use. This is what I usually have on hand at home. This bag lasts me forever because I don't really sweeten things here. I usually bake with bananas and dates. Okay guys, so now comes the part when we're going to blend it. Because I'm making a big batch and I only have my small personal use cup here because my big pitcher was ruined, it broke. It's gonna take me about three goes to get all of these ingredients mixed. But essentially you're just gonna mix everything together into a large bowl and then we're going to strain it. It's recording? Okay, so now comes the long, tedious process of running it through the strainer here. I'm already almost done with about a cup. And this I'm going to save to make a banana bread. This pulp that gets left over, they're sort of like the casings of the seeds. We're going to use that. But I really like to get like every bit out that I can. So this is gonna take about, I would say 20 minutes because I did a big batch.
Like
Cremita? Oh, sí, like cremita, ¿verdad? Okay, my love, so the horchata is ready. Now, mine is going to have like a speckled look and maybe a little darker in color because I use dates to sweeten it. Remember that. Also, my sugar is a darker color sugar. It's not white granulated sugar. But either way, it tastes delicious. So it is ready. It looks almost similar to coquito. It looks, but it doesn't taste anything like. Okay, my love, so we are finished with that portion of the vlog where I made the horchata. I am in the current day now editing this vlog. And because I was delayed, I had some technical difficulties, by the way. That's why the vlog didn't come out on Wednesday as scheduled. But I will now add like a little montage of when I went out with a girlfriend of mine who visits from Chicago. My car is passing. And then we're going to close out the vlog from there. So we're going to just go into a little nice birthday dinner that we had for her in celebration of life and love and light and many more years to come of, you know, friendship and sisterhood and just being alive. I mean, really alive. So enjoy. Welcome back to La Vida Mora, Puerto Rico. All the horses. So I have a friend in town. I actually have a few people. I actually have a few visitors coming into town, but the first one has arrived and I have vlogged with her previously. She's become a very good friend. She's become like family. And we are celebrating her birthday early. we're trying to take advantage of, we're celebrating her birthday early. We're trying to take advantage of maybe like less crowded weekend, because the next weekend that we have is going to be Easter weekend, and in PR it is insane. Yeah, so we are headed, I'm headed now to Añasco to pick her up, and I'm heading out to Añasco to pick her up, and then we are heading to Aguada for the evening. It's on the hammock and she couldn't hear me because no horn. That's the hammock life. You zone out. You zone out, and it's the best. Ah, she looks so beautiful. That's the birthday girl. Celebrated my birthday last year early.
Oh my gosh.
We had to take a picture here. Ay, gracias.
Gosh, Jenny, that looks so nice. Cheese here. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.